Hi everyone, Tutorial Master here. Today I will show you how to use Nano Banana AI, a powerful new tool that helps you generate images. In this video, we will start with what it is. Then I will walk you through step by step how to use it, and finally I will share some tips and tricks to get the most out of it. By the end of this video, you will be able to use Nano Banana AI with confidence. Let's get started. What is Nano Banana AI? It is an AI powered assistant tool that allows you to generate images free of cost. And you can also look at the paid plan. Think of it as a smart helper that can save your time and effort, whether you are a student or content creator or professional. This tool can make your work easier and faster. Firstly, open your browser and go to the website gemini.google.com. And here you will see an interface like this. Here click on tools and click create images. Now it has enabled Nano Banana AI through which you can generate images. For example, I generate an image, create an image, a batsman hitting the ball. And here it will take few seconds or minutes and then it will generate your image. And here you can see that it's totally looking real and it's free to use as well as I told earlier. You can also download this image and by clicking on the download button and it will be saved to your downloads folder. You can generate many images as you can from this new Nano Banana AI tool by Google. If you want to look at the paid plan, you can also upgrade to the Google Gemini paid plan, and it will allow you also to create videos with the help of Google Veo 3. I will make a separate video on it in future, and it will provide more Google One subscription along with more storage and any other benefits you can read. That's all from my side. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.